Are you looking for a modern business phone service that's affordable and mobile? Don't worry about startup costs, complex contracts, or complicated hardware. Instead, be set up in minutes. The Line 2 cloud phone system is your cost-effective solution for a business line, and it gives your business a dedicated number with services that scale to your team. Make calls and send messages, pictures, and have group chats on Line 2. Easily add or remove lines for teams and employees from a single account. Get toll-free numbers and vanity numbers to enhance your professional image. Take advantage of a complete feature set. Set calls to forward to multiple numbers. They'll all ring at once. Customize how you want calls handled, like sending calls to voicemail or an on-call staff. Or port any number to your Line 2 account. Customize your virtual auto attendant to route inbound calls. Press 1 for sales, press 2 for accounting, press 3 for support. And continue your conversations on the go. What are you waiting for? Call us now at 1-888-472-9900 or sign up at line2.com.